Hello everyone, please review your English textbooks. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is a kabaddi match. Yes, by listening to this word kabaddi, what it comes to your mind? Yes, it is a game. Okay. And do you like playing kabaddi? Yes, how many of you like to play kabaddi? Okay. So we are going to learn a new chapter, that is a kabaddi match. So we are going to first start with this rule. Yes, I think only y'all know how to play it, but do y'all know the main rule? Yes, and is it a Indian game or another game? Yes, we are going to study about that. Let's see. Before beginning with this lesson, let us understand a bit about kabaddi, right? So kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many other countries, right? So that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. Yes, so this Sanjeevani, Gamini and Amar are followed in different parts of India. These are the three kabaddi styles which are mainly followed in various parts of India. So here are the rules. The rules are slightly different, but then here the rules of this game are slightly different. Let us see further. So in kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court. Yes, divided by a midline. So let us understand the rules of the game in detail. That is, it means that the game of the kabaddi is played between two teams. Yes, it is played between two teams. In each team there are 7 members. Yes, in each team there are 7 members. Yes, and it is played on a rectangular court. Yes, can you all see a rectangular court? Yes, it is played on a rectangular court and there is a midline. Can you all see a midline there? Yes, it is divided where two teams stands and play. Suppose it is a rectangular ground, you all can see, and here in between there is a middle line. Yes, they are divided. They are divided that rectangular part in two parts. So the first team that can stand on the left side and the other team can stand on the right side. Yes, and there are 7 members in each group. Okay, so the game is usually played in 2 halves within the half-time break in between. Yes, it is played within 2 halves. That is, first half, that is 7 members, and the other 7 members. It is played between 2 halves. After the break, the teams exchange their sides in the court. Yes, they exchange. After some break, there be a 20 minutes. After 20 minutes game, there be a break, and the team who was in left, it moves to right side, and the team who was in right side moves to left side. Yes, they change their sides in the court. Now to play the game, each team sends riders across the midline to their own team. Yes, to other team. Yes, now here the raiders means, yes, here the team is one second. To play the game, each team send raiders across the midline to the other team. Yes, so they will send one person as a raider to start or play the game, and the raider has two tag the other person. Yes, the raider means one who has appointed that he will go front and play with the other team. Yes, and he will tag that person. Tag means the raider tries to tag the opponents and run back side to his side, all in one breath. Yes, now here the raider has to tag the opponent. Here the tag means he should touch his any parts, touch the front team any parts, and he have to run back and come to his side without any breath, all in with breath. Yes, only he has to continuously, one second, to show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to continuously say kabaddi kabaddi all the time. Yes, all in his one breath, means he has to not stop his breath in between and again inhale or exhale. If he has to continuously say kabaddi kabaddi. Okay, if he has to inhale again, he is out. Yes, once he has inhaled, yes, then he is out of the game. Okay, then the opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath. Loses, one second, till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. So that his opponent's job to try and catch the raider from going back to till he loses his breath. Yes, the opponent's duty be. Opponents means the people who are playing in the team. They try to catch the raider going from their side to his side. Yes, until they keep them catching until they loses his inhale again. Yes, now if the raider manages to go back successfully, all the persons he has tagged and all of those who have touched him are declared out. So here, if the raider manages to go back successfully, means if the raider manages to go back properly, means successfully, all the persons that he has tagged and those who have touched him are declared out. So here, if the raider touches the line, yes, even if the opponents are catching him, and if the raider touches that line, and so the other persons who have touched him are declared directly as out. Yes, and for each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. Okay, so for each player, now suppose the raider has won the match. Yes, he has touched that line. Now if for each player declared out, now suppose three persons are catching him. Now suppose the three persons are catched him and the opposite team will score a plus point, right? And those plus point will count it to the other team because the raider has won. Yes, the other team has won and the person who were catching him were out, and those point also the other team will get. Yes, now if all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets the bonus points. Yes, if all the 7 players in the team are out. Okay, here it says that if all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points, and the bonus point is called a lona. Okay, the bonus point what he gets is called a lona. The team with the maximum points wins the match. Yes, obviously even in the other games it means that if the team with the maximum points, even in cricket also same part takes place. Those who scores nice marks will get the maximum points, right? So here also in kabaddi, the team with the maximum points wins the match. Yes, now the game of kabaddi requires good health. Yes, this game not only requires playing rules or playing knowledge, it also requires good health. It requires muscular strength. Yes, it requires muscular strength, strategic skills, and a lot of practice. A lot of practice should be done at a great determination. Okay, a lot of practice should be done here. Yes, a kabaddi player should not only have the knowledge of playing the game, but he himself should have a good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, and lots of practice he should be having. Okay, now even Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. Here it is saying that even Indian boys and girls are always ready for playing the game kabaddi. Yes, would you like to take an ace kabaddi player when you are a little older? Here it is saying that would you like to take a part in kabaddi? Yes, would who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win a glory for your school, district, or even the state and the country. Yes, suppose you are playing a game kabaddi, and who knows your future. Yes, who knows that that the glory may help you win glory, means it will keep your name proud even in the school, district, or state and the country. Yes, so did you all get the rules? So here it is a rectangular ground divided into two parts with a midline, and each player each team they be both teams, team A and team B, and both teams have 7 members each. And in this they are having that the one who plays for the other team is the raiders, and the others are known as opponents. Yes, and if the raiders if the raider is going to in other team for playing, he has to, within one breath, he has to continuously say kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. If he stops saying that, it means he loses his breath and he is out. And if the one if the persons who he has touched and even won a match is and even if they have won the match, then they are also declared as out. And when the person who is even if all the 7 of the members in that group are out, then the other team will get a bonus point, and it is known as a lona. Yes, and finally here the team with the maximum points wins the match. Okay, so till here has everyone understood the rules of this game? So let's see what the story tells us about a kabaddi match. Okay, let us see the main story. Okay, now the school sports met was scheduled next morning. Yes, in the school there was an event. Yes, the school sports means the school has kept an event which was scheduled next month, means which was planned for the next month. Yes, the schedule means arranged to take place at a particular time, right? The practice matches has already begun. The students have already started practicing the kabaddi. Yes, now 9th B, here is a match of 9th B and 9th A. Okay, 9th B were the favorites as they had a strong players in their team. Yes, here in the school 9th B and 9th A matches were going to be held, and ninth B were the favorites of everyone as they had a strong players in them. Yes, in that team. Now, the kabaddi trials were on. Yes, they were practicing every day. They were keeping the trial round was going on and on till the scheduled date. Yes, till the scheduled time the practices were going on. This year there were 3 new students in the class. Yes, this year there were 3 new students in the class of 9th A. Yes, the match were among 9th A and 9th B. And in 9th A, 3 new students were added. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players. Yes, now in 9th B, 9th B was everyone's favorite because they were good players. But as due to the new admissions, there were new students in the class of 9th A. And for the everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players. These 3 students who have came in the school are the outstanding players, means very good players, exceptional players, exceptional good players they are. Yes, now let's see further. Now 9th A, hope soared. Yes, here the meaning says hope soared means it tells a phrase that where they are 9th A are very very happy. Yes, rise high, they increase, means they are 9th A students are very very happy. Yes, when let's see now, here they are on the playground and they are going to start a match. Yes, they are. Can you all see the rectangular there is a rectangular part on the playground and it is a kabaddi playground. Yes, and it is divided. Can you all see it is divided into 2 and 9th A has 7 members and 9th B has 7 members. Yes, now let's see. When the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. Yes, when the match started, all the spectators clapped. Spectators clap means a person who is watching an event. Yes, people who came to watch the match clapped and boost the morale. Boost the morale means encourage encourage means they are, by clapping they are cheering up the teams who are playing. Yes, even in a school we cheer for if someone is taking part in something, we always try to cheer them up. It means the confidence level increases. Yes, 9th A won the toss and sent their raider Govind. Yes, now the team there is a now 9th A student have tossed a coin and sent the raider Govind. Yes, now Govind has went to play the game. Yes, he is the raider of the game. Okay, now a raider means a person who attacks an opponent in the territory. Yes, now he was so swift that before the opponents realized it, he had touched Suresh from 9th B and was already heading home. Yes, a point was scored. He was so swift. So swift means he was very quick. So fast he was that before the opponents realized, before the front team realized, he already touched Suresh from 9th B and was already heading home. Means already he was back to his team. He has touched Suresh and immediately he came back to his team and he finally 9th A scored a marks. Yes, he scored points. Yes, Ravi from 9th B was very strong player. Yes, now first Govind played from 9th A. Now it's Ravi's turn from 9th B. He was a very strong player. Okay, Now he was alone, was sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissors, that realizing oneself from his grip was next to impossible. Yes, can you all see like scissor, like how he has catch that person, catch the opponent in crossing the legs, that is like scissor. You all know scissor, how it is. Yes, now he alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player. He was very strong player of 9th B class. Okay, and was next to impossible means it was very difficult for the opponent to remove from to come out from his scissors. Yes, the way he has caught him, it was very difficult to come out from his. Yes, then all the players were literally afraid of him. Everyone of in the other team, that is 9th A team, were very afraid of this Ravi. Yes, they were literally afraid. Literally means they were really afraid. Afraid means they were getting scared of him. This ace player had won many matches for 9th B. Yes, this very good player, a top and excellent player that Ravi was. He won many matches for 9th B. Yes, with the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9th B was unbeatable. Yes, Ravi, Mohan and Vinod, with their support, the 9th B were unbeatable. Means they were very topped. Yes, they used to always win the match because of those three players. Okay, Mangesh from 9th B was also strong. Yes, now here Govind was also strong from 9th A. Now here they are saying Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Yes, he was strong as he was same strong like Ravi. Yes, means match means they both were equally strong. Now Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamt of any strong opposition for any team. Ravi was relaxed means he was relaxed means he didn't bothered. He was like, let them play. He never dreamed of becoming a more strong opposition for any team. He used to think he was overconfident about that. Yes, when Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friends, everyone in the spectators thought that 9th A would lose the match. Yes, when Mangesh was wrestled down means when Mangesh was put down by Ravi, everyone thought that 9th A would lose the match. Yes, that everyone thought that Mangesh will lose, but Mangesh proved his mettle. Yes, mettle means courage, discrimination. He showed that he is not less than Ravi. Yes, he got up. He was on the ground with anti-raiders, with opponent's team. He was on the ground. Yes, the team members followed him down and catching hold of his waist and legs. Yes, they caught his waist and legs, and slowly he inched towards his coat. Slowly, even though the opponents caught him, he was slowly moving forward, and inched means he was going very slowly, moving very slowly towards his coat. All the anti-raiders, with all their might, were trying their best to pull him back. All the anti-raiders means all the opponents were trying them to pull Mangesh back. Yes, but with the great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. Yes, without his great willpower, he tried moving and going front and front slowly. and finally he touched that middle line. Yes, he touched that middle line, and and yes, by touching the middle line means yes, Mangesh has won. Everyone, they were cheers in the air. Everyone was cheering that Mangesh, Mangesh. Yes, we say that. Yes, if anyone has won the match, do we say with their sound, with the song type? Yes. So he had not only saved himself, but also was also able to score 3 points for his team. Yes, he did not only save himself, but he was also able to get 3 points for his team as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him and also were declared out. Yes, like as I have said before. Yes, those the opponents who were anti-raiders who were catching him, and even he has touched the line. Even the now 3 persons were catching him. Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya. Those 3 points will get them. Yes, those 3 points will get to the other team, that is 9th A students. Yes, if any queries can ask me. We'll wait here for 2 minutes. Yes, Ravi of 9th B was a strong player and he was overconfident. Yes, he was overconfident of him. He thought I of both the class, I will every time he won, so he thought he will be only the strong player, but Mangesh proved that. Yes, everyone got till here. Please underline and write whatever I am saying, please make a note in your notebooks, write the meanings. Yes, now let's see next. Let's go further. Shall I move, or shall I have you do you all have any queries? Okay, is this story interesting? Okay, so shall we move? Okay, now 9th B began to play continuously, means they began to cautiously. Sorry, 9th B began to play cautiously, means they played very. Now they started. Now only 3 members are left in their group, so they are playing very cautiously. They are playing very carefully. Yes, Mihir, one of the raiders, even managed to tag Sohan in 9th A. Mihir, one of the player raiders, even managed to tag, means he managed to touch Sohan of 9th A. Yes, now nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now nothing has happened in next few raids. Okay, nothing has happened. Now it was Vivek's raid. It was Vivek's chance. It was Vivek's turn. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. He always scored wherever he used to go to play. He always scored points. He always saved himself. Yes, here it means Vivek. Now Vivek, it was Vivek's turn, and he always he didn't have that much confidence, means he had that much confidence, but he always scored a nice marks. Okay, the remaining 3 players from 9th B were trapped. Yes, the remaining 3, now only 9th B had 3 players. They were surrounded, means they trapped Vivek. Yes, he slowly moved back towards his court. The 3 anti-raiders also moved along with him. Yes, now Vivek, the 9th B students, only 3 were remained, and they slowly trapped Vivek. Yes, he slowly moved to his he started going to his point slowly. the three anti-raiders also moved along with him. Yes, when they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline, with the anti-raider still hanging on his arm. Yes, now Vivek slipped when they caught his arm. You all can see, when they caught his arm and trying to pull him back, trying to take him into their group. Yes, Vivek slipped his leg. He slipped his leg beyond the midline. Means beyond the midline means towards his side of the court. Now 9th was that side, so he slipped his leg towards that line. Now, the whole of the 9th B team was declared out. Yes, how Vivek used his head, right? How Vivek used his talent. Now what had happened here? Yes, can anyone say? Okay, they surrounded. Okay, now in 9th B class only 3 students were remained. Yes, only 3 opponents were 3 anti-raiders were remained. Yes, and Vivek entered, and this was the 3 players surrounded them. Yes, he used his head and he started moving to his line, means to his team. And when they caught him, he slipped down his leg near the borderline. Yes, means his leg was on the borderline. Now leg was on the borderline means 9th has won the match, right? Yes. The whole of the 9th B team was declared out. Yes, 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus point of Lona. Yes, 9th A team, because of Mangesh and Vivek, they actually managed to get 3 more bonus points. First Mangesh, because of Mangesh, 9th A had got 3 points, and now because of Vivek, 9th A had got more 3 points, and the points are called as Lona. Yes, Lona means extra points they got. Now it was an icing on the cake. Yes, icing on the cake means an attractive extra addition means extra points. Then they got extra points. Like icing on the cake means extra cream when on the cake. You all have eaten a cake, and when the extra cream part has given, yes, it is known as icing on the cake, means extra points 9th A is getting. Okay, now let's see further. What an enviable score. Yes, what an enviable score. It means, enviable means jealous. Yes, it set the heads of 9th B reeling. Reeling means they were feeling guilty. They were feeling very guilty. Now 9th B students were very jealous of 9th A students. Yes, why they were jealous? Instead of working hard, they worked hard, but they were overconfident about it. Yes, they thought even this time they will win the game, but 9th A won the match. Okay, now they were feeling very guilty of it. After the half-time break, they changed their sides, right? The stars players of 9th A were full of confidence. Yes, the 9th A players have won the match, and they are full of confidence, and they have full of confidence in them. Once again, they managed to catch hold the Ace Raiders, Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. Yes, once again they managed to catch hold of the Ace Raiders, means strong players Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. Yes, they went to them. Means they went to Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. And ninth A outplayed ninth B in all the areas of Kabaddi. Yes, they showed that ninth A outplay means showed that they play better than ninth B. Yes, they went to them like Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. They were best players of ninth B. Yes, they were strong players. They were ace players. Means they were very strong players. So they went to them and showed them that even ninth A can play as better than them. Right? Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, and their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat ninth B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. Yes, the team spirit means ninth A played as one, their confidence level, with their confidence level, proper confidence level. Yes, as I have said between the as I have said earlier that I had given you all the rules that they should not only have the knowledge of Kabaddi, they should have proper confidence, the strategy levels, they should their swiftness means swiftness and suppleness means they should be very quick at playing the game. And these all points, these all rules the 9th A students have kept in their mind. Yes, because of these rules they means these all rules helped them to beat up 9th B. Yes, who never tasted earlier defeat, means who had never lose. Yes, 9th A students have never lose this game, but because they were overconfident. Yes, and they showed that they didn't bother. They thought, yes, we will only win again this year the game. Yes, because of their carelessness, they had lose the game. And as 9th A were even they were confident about that. Yes, they were trying their best. They had lot of strategies in them. Their swiftness means very fast. They were very quick. Yes, because of this they have won the match, right? So did you all get till your means did you all understood the story? Yes. So the story what it tells us, even if you're scoring nice marks or nice percentage in exam, never be overconfident in that. Always work hard, try to get more marks. Even if you're getting 98%, don't get overconfident. Yes, I am getting 98% and my friend is getting only 78%. We can't say in future what else will change. So don't ever be overconfident. Yes, the game is saying us that only. Yes, everyone has understood. Hope so you all have understood the lesson well. Yes, students. So please read the story and please listen to this story carefully, and it is very easy story. Okay, and have a nice day. Have a great day. See you. Take care, and please start completing your notebooks, as our exams are going to be held. So anytime we can check your notebooks. Thank you.